Two numbers have a sum of 2024 and a difference of 2. One of the numbers is prime, while the other number is a product of two primes and is therefore composite. What is the sum of the four positive factors of the composite number? Ben.
1,352.
That is the correct answer. Ben takes the round.
All right, moment of truth. Let's read the question all over again. Two numbers have a sum of 2024 and a difference of 2. One of the numbers is a prime number while the other number is a product of what? Two prime numbers, which implies it is a composite number. What is the sum of the four positive factors of the composite number? So two numbers, let's declare them with x and y. Their sum is 2024. This is according to the question because I would like to find the numbers first. Their difference, assuming x is bigger, so we have x minus y equals 2 because they have a difference of 2. So let's find the numbers first. By adding these two equations, this together with this will give us 2x. This and this will give us 0. So to the other side, if you add this, you get 26. And to find the value of x, you can divide both sides by 2, right? So x will be equal to 1013. This is the first number. Then you can plug in x into either of these two equations to find y. So let me use this one. From here, you can make y the subject, which is going to be what? X minus 2. So y will be equal to x, which is 1013 minus 2, which implies that y is equal to 1011. So these are the two numbers we are talking about. 1013 and 1011. Let's confirm. Is their sum equal to 2024? Yes, definitely. 3 and 1 is 4. 1 and 1 is 2. 0, 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 2. 2024. And a difference, you can see this is 3, this is 1. Difference of 2. Yeah, so these are the numbers. So we have two numbers we would like to work with. The numbers are 1013 and the other number is 1011. These are the two numbers. So let's go back to the question again. From the question, it stated that one of these two numbers is a prime number, while the other one is a composite number. A prime number has only two factors, one and itself, while the composite has more than two factors. So we cannot directly determine which one is a prime, but I can clearly see a composite number here. Remember, I told you a prime number is only divisible by 1 and itself. But I can see this number is divisible by 3, which means that we are going to kick out this number and use this. So let me bring this down. We're going to use this because this is definitely a composite number because it has a factor of 3. I can take 3 and multiply by a number to get this. Why do I even say that this number is... No, not this one, right? Oh my God, sorry, I'm talking about this one. This is the composite number. Why? Because this number is divisible by 3. Look at the sum of 8 digits. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Once the sum of all the digits in the number is also a number divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So what number can we multiply by 3 to get this number? You can simply divide this number by 3. 3 divided 10 is 3, with a remainder of 1 because that is 3 times 3, 9. We have a remainder of 1. Bring it down here, you have 11. 3 divides 11 is also 3, but we have a remainder of 2. Bring it here, it becomes 21. Divide by 3 is 7. So this is the other number. So now we have two factors already. We don't even have to waste our time because this question already stated that what is the sum of the four positive factors, which means that this number has 4 factors, including 1 and itself. We have 2 already. So therefore, the factors of this number are 1, 3, 337, and itself. And the question says we should find the sum of all these four numbers. So let's find their sum. We have the bigger one, followed by this one, 337, followed by 3, and lastly 1. We are going to add all of them together. 179. Whoa, what was 3 and 7 is 10. 1 and 1, so this is 12. We have 1 left. Bring it over here. This is 4 already. With that one, you have 5. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 1. And hence, this is our answer, 1,352. Exactly as what the contestant said.